What is going on, my Atomic Autoworks friends? So this is kind of a funny story. We had a customer come up and she wanted a seat for her Harley. She wanted to be sit down really low and be pushed forward and want this really cool purple stitch on here. Her husband came up with her and she thought he was being there to support her on her appointment, but turns out he had an ulterior motive, and that was he wanted his own seat as well. His is exactly the opposite. He needed to go back, and we brought him up a little bit. Believe it or not, even though this is a really thin, low profile looking seat, there's almost 3 inches of foam here because our seat pan is so much lower. We actually brought him up. We used a firmer foam on the bottom and then put an actual softer foam on top, so he has a lot more comfort for his longer rides and tours. We did cut out a tailbone relief on this seat. Even though you can't see it, there's actually nothing there. And he is far back. So one of the things we always watch out for is you can only go so wide on these seats the further back you go because the saddlebags are here. You don't really think of that for like an average guy or a shorter guy, but on taller guys, you're sitting so far back, you're actually in between the saddlebags. So we really had to be careful how wide we go and where we position them, but hopefully you like the seat. Hopefully he likes the seat. Please remember, if you are interested in any of our work, just go to atomicautoworks.com. You could email us, give us a call, and we'd love to build you a custom seat or even customize your existing seat.